Hey, Mike Rodrick here, Edutainer at ITProTV, and this is my story of how I got started in IT. Way back when, before I was in IT, I was actually in the restaurant industry. I had worked just about every position you can think of: dishwasher, busboy, server, cook, bartender, and had finally made it up to management. And I thought, man, this is where it's at, right? This is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. And then it was the same thing every day. I just did the same thing over and over and was so bored out of my mind. And one day I'm out there cleaning off the pigeon poop from our patio tables, and I decided to make a change. Like, this is it, I've got to figure out something else. Computers had always been a hobby of mine, right? I played games, surfed the internet. Well, what was the internet back then? And I thought, maybe I can make a career out of that. So I took a look at some different avenues of education, some traditional college methods, and found a school that offered some classes and gave me the ability to kind of do a sampling of different areas and give me a chance to figure out what it is that I wanted to do. So initially I thought web design. Man, that's going to be exciting. Web was big at the time. Every business needed a website. Everybody wanted to hire a web administrator, somebody to work on their website, design their website for them. I thought, that's what I'm going to do. So I started taking some classes, and I realized that I was missing something. I'm not a very creative person. I could stare at a list of fonts for an hour and not be able to pick the right one. So web design, not for me. But because I chose a place that had a bunch of different offerings, I was able to switch over and try some other things. I tried some network administration courses, some Cisco stuff, and I did some Microsoft stuff. And I found that, man, that really excited me. I liked the idea of managing the servers. The stuff in the background that people don't see, that makes the network work. The stuff that allows you to log on and access those resources that you need to do your job. I thought, man, this is where it's at. So now I knew what I wanted to do. I was going to be a network administrator. So I changed gears. I started taking all my Microsoft classes, and I got certified. I got my MCSA and my MCSE, and now I'm ready to go out and get a job. Funny thing happened. The school that I was attending to get these certifications was actually looking for an instructor. And they came to me and said, hey, Mike, we know you. You've been taking classes here for a year. We like your personality. What do you think about teaching? And I thought to myself, never really thought about it before. Let's give it a try. And now I found my passion. I thought it was going to be web design. Then I thought it was going to be network administration. Ends up, I wanted to be an instructor, right? An IT instructor. I'm Mike Rodrick, and that's how I got started on my IT journey.
Are you ready to start your IT journey? Then head over to ITPro.tv/personal to take the first step with a 7-day free trial. And be sure to subscribe to the ITProTV channel to see more origin stories from the ITProTV team.